I'll be back.
Hey guys, okay. Join us today as we create our garden space. So if you're new here, my name is Dina and we bought this land in West Virginia where we're going to create our homestead. So we are working on the house. In the meantime, we are going to be working on the garden because it is grow season and I have to grow my stuff. Let me show you what I got so far. So we have 340 feet. I don't know if you could see the fence posts. We have the fence posts up and we have the fencing ready to go. So what our plan is first of all, the garden will be here. I'm going to use the black paper. We'll see. That's the old fire pits coming out. Behind that, back there, is going to be our strawberries and blueberries, which I have the strawberries. I'm going to get more blueberries. And then we already have 6 fruit trees here. And we plan on putting 3 more. We have apple, pear, peach, and we are going to add cherry and plum. And then we have 2 grapes that we're going to put along this fence line here. And then I have 5 elderberry that are going to go in the fence line on the back. I believe that's it. And we have wild raspberries here. Now let me show you guys this cool little corner piece that you can use with the stakes. Okay, so these are the corner pieces and they go on the T-posts. And what you have to do, you're in the way. you have to put your base post, I guess, offset from the corner of, you have to measure and do an angle. Measure your angle, that's where you put that post.
Roughly.
And then let me bring you closer. Okay, so this is the corner piece. You
Same issue.
Put it in the corner because you're going to have obviously one on each side. And then that straight piece locks it in. Again, Pat's fat fingers in the way, you can't see.
Can you see, guys? And she's going to say that nothing ever gets done.
There you go. He got it in. So it's locked in.
Change this.
And then these interlock to go on any side.
Do that.
So you have one on the top of the corner, one on the base of your second post, and then voila. Voila when you put your other thing in. In the holder. Oh.
Not oh.
It's a little long.
Chill out.
Oh, and that's how easy they are to take off. You just like lift off the lock, adjust, and relock. There. So you do that there, and on the other side, and you got yourself a nice corner holder. And I forgot we had gotten these.
Tractor Supply.
Was it Tractor Supply?
Yep, they ordered
the holders? Oh. So there you go, Tractor Supply. Hold on, I gotta help him.
Come home.
Okay. Then repeat. Here, let me kind of help you.
I'm not gonna go in.
Is that the bent one?
Because the way it has to go on.
Is Patrick talking to himself? He does it all the time. You have to know when to answer and when not to answer. This is a don't answer situation.
Yes, he still answers.
He's working it out amongst himself.
Let's check that first before it locks in. What do you mean, huh?
You gotta go a little lower. There you go. You got your corner, and it's sturdy. We like these things. And they're cheap. Cheapish.
Cheapish.
They were cheaper than doing a different other kind of corner thing.
Different other kind of.
Yeah, we like cheap.
I'll have to move the things if it's too high.
Okay. Well, that's it.
Close enough for my work.
Looks good. So that's the door gate. We have a 5.5-foot gate that'll go here for the opening.
I don't know what happened to the bolt.
Yeah, the bolt fell off in the move. But we'll fix that. That's the neighbor's dog. He's coming to say hi to me. But this is yes, everyone say hi to Jake. This is some cow poo from the local farmer, and we're putting it in our garden area just to give us some extra fertilization and compost. We have used his cow poo before, and it worked wonderfully. Nothing like some fresh poo. And then he'll spread it out. And then we'll spray down the tractor so it don't stink. So we have our paper down. My stakes are in Jersey. I'm going to bring them my good garden stakes. That's why we have the rocks. So we'll fix that. Our orchard area is really coming along. So we found, well, you know, we have 2 peach, 2 apple, and 2 pear trees already. And then we were able to find a plum and 2 cherry trees. Look how beautiful that plum looks too. And then this is one of the cherries, and they're sweet cherries. It's a Bing and a Rainier cherry? I don't know. But anyway, we have our little orchard area here. Our grapes are coming. Our blueberries are coming. They'll be here next week and we'll plant them. I have one of my elderberries right here, and I have 3 more coming, and I think I'm going to line this side of the fence with them for right now and go around the corner here. And this dirt pile, we are currently planting our 25 strawberries. Voila, strawberry row. There's the little guy. I think I might stroll over it. So that's it. The garden area is coming along. My little orchard area is coming along. I love it. I will lift the fence and put that up also next time we come. We're going to have a super busy month here. So next adventure, guys. See you on the next adventure.